Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So today we're gonna do the Fortnite pull-up dance, which is basically just a Rockstar TikTok dance. Well, actually only a part of it. So I'm just gonna, cut in the part that I've already done before, and then at the end I'm gonna explain the differences in the Fortnite version. All right, let's go. Let me show you a quick preview of part one. It goes, Brenda Lamborghini, na 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 na, and a pistol on my head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. Boom. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, so let me break it down for you step by step. What you want to do is take your left arm and place it here in your front, and your shirt from the side. Your right is saying swing back, front, back. Yeah, just here on the side. Back, front, back. If you want, you can go step, step, step in the spot, or you can just bounce, 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 or maybe don't do anything at all. Just boom, boom, boom. So from here, you want to say the right is swinging up and the left is going in, like that. Whoa, yeah. So the right is going in front of the left, all right? You just heard from the side. I just did wah, 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 and then up. So from up here, you want to swing both arms to your left. Boom. You want to go round, 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 stop. Now, the song or the dance is pretty fast, so maybe you want to keep it a bit smaller so that you can make it, yeah? So you can even just do like that, a T-Rex version. So you just did swing to the left, now you want to swing to the right, around, stop, here, yeah? So let's just go from here, yeah? I want to swing to the one round to the left and then one round to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Swing to the left, swing to the right. Let's just take it from the top. We want to go walk, 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 and right up. You want to go swing to your left and swing to your right. All right, we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to start walk, walk, walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go walk, 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 swing up and left side, right side. Okay, so we just said swing left, swing right. From here, you want to say wavy. Let me just show you from the top view. So from here, you want to, your arms are saying cross, out, in again, out. Yes, it's like we're swimming with our hands. Boom, out, cross, out, cross, out. You want to do 2 of these, yeah? Now, when you go back up, you want to go up, and then you want to go down, and then up, back to your hips. So let me just show from the side. I go 1, 2, and up, down, pull, back. Now this goes pretty fast, so you want to keep it small. Yeah, you don't have time to do this. Yeah, just keep it in here. Whoop, here. All right. So 1, 2, up, down, back. Let's just try that. 5, 6. We're gonna do 1, 2, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, cross, down, here. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, cross, down, here. Okay, so for the next part, we're gonna practice this bouncy thing, yeah? So just stand like this with your feet a bit apart, and then you wanna go bounce, 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 yeah? Just do this a couple of times, and place your hands like this, yeah? Boom, 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 boom. Now let's do the transition. So it's boom, 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 yeah? So when I bring this back, I wanna go, step out with my right. So we're gonna go boom, boom, down, up. And when I go back, I say step, boom. Yeah, so I land as soon as my hands are back. Yeah, so boom. So let's just try to go cross, cross, down, back. Let's practice that transition. So cross, cross, here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, cross, down, up, here. Let's try that again. Remember, take a step to your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, cross, down, up, step. All right. Now let's do cross, cross, down, up, step, bounce, 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 and so on. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, cross, down, up, bounce, 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 bounce. It's 6 times you want to bounce, so it's boom, boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then back to the center. Yeah, one more time with the bounce. Remember 6 times and then stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, cross, down, up, bounce, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back. And then the very last move of part 1, it is right after bounce, 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 bounce. You want to take your right, go up, and then say down in front of your face. Okay guys, now let's do it from the tip to top. Let me just do a quick recap here. We did from the tip to top, we did back and back, swing right up front, now swing left side, boom, right side, boom. Now we want to say cross, cross, down, up, bounce, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, center, and boom. Now let me explain the timing as well. So it goes brand new Lamborghini, nana, ka, nothing, da, pistol, hip like ka, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop, and a reel. That's a cue, reel. Okay, let's practice that a few times. So we're gonna start slow and then we're gonna gradually speed up. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Brand new Lamborghini, nana, ka, and a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. 3, 4, 5, 6, center, and a reel. Let's try that a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Brand new Lamborghini, nana, ka, and a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. 3, 4, 5, 6, stop, and a reel. Let's try it one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Brand new Lamborghini, nana, ka, and a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. 3, 4, 5, 6, stop, and a reel. Okay, so let me break down part 2. This was in a part 1. Then there's a tiny break before we say guitar, guitar, guitar. And then you want to say hip, prepping from your right to left, and then right, and then 3 fast ones. Boom, boom, boom. So I go 2 slow ones, and then fast, fast, fast. Now, if you don't know how to do the hip move, then check out my tutorial up here, where I go in more detail. So what we want to do is say boom, break before we say prep right, left, right, and then 3 fast ones. Let's just try that. Boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go prep, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so Fortnite hasn't taken the whole dance, it's just a part of it. So they ended, so right after boom, 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 you want to do grab hit both arms, pull it in, and then you want to throw it to your right. Now from here is the transition move, and that is basically where you go back here, and then you want to do like Lamborghini. So you're holding a wheel here, and this is doing something, yeah, and you want to move your hip to the side. Boom, yeah, and then you just want to bring it down again, because then you're ready for the loop, yeah, so you just repeat the dance, or this if you want, right? And then from here, repeat the dance. All right, so let me just rewind a bit. Right after we've done na 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 here, you wanna pull to the front, throw it to the side, and then the transition move, bridges, Lamborghini, yeah? Then from here, you just repeat the dance, A, A. All right, now let me just rewind and do part 2 here again. So we do real, and then we wanna say slow, slow, 3, fast, fast, and then you wanna grab to the front, pull, lean, and then throw it to your right, and then do the transition move, boom, and then you wanna repeat the dance. All right, let me just do a full dance recap here. So in the beginning, in the Fortnite version, they don't do this walking part, they just do like one time here, hit, and then you wanna do like this or this, and then you go, boom, A, lift your leg if you want to, boom, you go, boom, boom, front, hip, here, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop, reel, and a hip, slow, fast, 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 pull, throw, and then repeat, A, and A, and. All right, guys, let's just practice one time, and feel free to practice on your own until you can do it fast, all right? So we're just gonna go slow, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go way, and now, boom, A, hands, hand, front, here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop, and a real slow, slow, fast, 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 pull, throw, repeat the dance. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Fortnite pull-up dance, aka the old Rockstar TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.